All right, so we've got the dreaded drop kick. When you're drop kicking that club, what you're doing is you're releasing the energy very early. So as you work on your Saber, you take your Saber to the top of your backswing, and instead of casting it out here and dropping it into the ground early, what you're going to do is do what I call the pump drill. So as you take the Saber back, the timing mechanism is right here in your hands. You're going to do 3 pumps and a snap. So 1, 2, 3, snap. Now, that timing mechanism is going to stay right here in your hands when you come back and you've got this angle sharper than 90 degrees. If it drops down, that timing mechanism will roll to the other end of the Saber. And that's exactly what's happening when you drop kick it. There's one other component to the drop kick, and that's usually a little bit of a cast plus a reverse weight transfer. Those two things go hand in hand, just like the pump drill works on better weight transfer. So as you're working that pump drill position, what you'll see is a natural loading and shifting of my left wrist and left hip. So as I work into this position, I've got my left wrist and my left hip here, and then I'm able to snap it through with a lot better timing. So this exercise is really going to help you shoot lower scores.